In case if you want to change the size of the app icons on your Android device, then what you do is tap and hold on the home screen, go to home screen settings here. Now you have two options. You can change the size of the app icons on the home screen, or you can change the size of the app icons inside the home screen. So let me select at first home screen grid. Now these are the icons on the home screen. So right now it is 5 by 6. If I select 4 by 5, you can see the app icon size has increased a little bit. Select apply once you do it, and the size of the icons on the home screen, it's bigger. Now in case if you want to change the size of the app icons inside the home screen, then again tap and hold on the home screen here, go to home screen settings, go to apps screen grid. Right now it is 5 by 6, so select 4 by 6, and you can see the size of the app icons has a little bit increased. Select apply. You can see the size of the apps is a little bit bigger. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification for our latest videos.